It's ASMR gas time. And now I'm stuck in the worst traffic ever. But it's okay because we are going drifting today at a brand new circuit. Well, it's not really a brand new circuit. It's a brand new circuit to me. You know what I'm saying. I've never drifted at this circuit before. It's called like Nasu Circuit, which I think means like Sunrise Circuit, Sunrise Racetrack or something. Anyways, I'm really pumped. It's past Nikko Circuit. It's deep, like up to Tochigi way. So I'm pretty keen. I'm just keen for a new layout and a circuit that I've never been to before and seat time really. So yeah. I think the next stop is going to be a PA on the way because I definitely need a coffee and some Starbucks because yeah, it's like a 3-hour drive to this circuit. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth it. Well, this track is definitely in the middle of the rice fields, that's for sure. There's literally just farmhouses everywhere. I'm definitely on the right road too because there was a sign that said that Nasu Circuit was down here. So yeah. This is awesome. It's literally like rice paddy fields and farms as far as the eye can see. It's crazy awesome. All right, let's get to the circuit and see what it's like. All right, lads, so we are here. I already helped Okachan unload everything and he's just been out showing Honomanoru-san the course layout and where he needs to drive. This place is cool. So they have like this big kind of gymkhana with a few kind of good corners and stuff up the back there. This is where we're gonna be drifting. They've got a bunch of like practice cars, I guess, for like time attack and grip practice. And this is the best thing about this place, right? The actual track name I think is Nasu Palette. It's Palette, I think is how it's pronounced. But the best thing is they have like a rally course here. Like Okachan said, it's like a dirt trial track. And how freaking awesome is this? Wouldn't you just love to get a Subaru and come down here and just hit this? How sick is it? And it goes really far up there. It comes all the way back. Okachan said that this is kind of like a really famous place for people that are into the rally kind of dirt trial stuff, and a lot of events happen here, like from all over Japan, people come and race here. So that's super cool. I definitely want to try and get into like the rally kind of style stuff in the future. This is sick. I didn't even know this existed here. So I'm super happy about coming here today. This is definitely worth it. So Hanamaru-san, this is his 6th time ever drifting and his first time drifting in the rain, and he has some amazing control. It's pretty amazing. There we go, spin stuff. No problem though, he's doing so well. First time in the wet, 6th time ever driving. He doesn't even have his driver's license. He's too young to have a driver's license. He's doing so good. He's gonna be better than me in no time, and that's the truth. So we're gonna head out. My window's fogging up. I guess I'll just put AC on for a little bit and try and get that fog to disappear. I have not been drifting in the wet in a very long time, so I'm actually pretty hyped that I'm gonna get some rain practice. I think it's very important that I practice as much as I can in the wet, so pretty pumped for this. AC's off. Let's give it a go. I stuffed up on that transition hardcore. Oh man, it feels so weird, so slippery. But this is exactly what I need, so I'm pumped. Okachan got me to jump in his S15 and he's told me to give it a bit of a spin and get the feeling of everything, so that's what we're gonna do. Try and get the feeling of it all and see how this thing feels in the wet, because Zen Shigao! This handles so different than my Skyline in the wet. It's got so much more grip. Okay, we're gonna love this. Let's have a bit of fun. He's giving me the boo. Oh man. I need to get the hang of this chassis bad. This thing is just, it's so different. I love it though. right, let's go into this corner, a little bit more speed. He keeps telling me I suck right now, and I do. I really do. This car has so much angle. I need to start using it all. I'll laugh if Okachan jumps in my skyline.
Next minute.
Oh no, he is. He is jumping in my skyline. He's gonna take my skyline for a whip. He is in my skyline. This is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Okachan's in my skyline, and I'm in his S15. This couldn't get any better. Let's watch how it goes. Now he's got it, he's drifting it. Let's see how he goes. Oh man, he's got it like a boss. This is so funny. It'd be so cool if we can get some tandem drifting practice, but he's in my skyline. Driving my sky. I can't get over how I'm in his S15 and he's in my skyline right now. It's so funny. Oh, how the tables have turned. He's going wide for me. Does he want me to chase? That'll be interesting. Okay, well, that was an amazing experience. I'm so happy that I got to get some seat time in an S15 in the rain. The way that these things handle is, it feels so different to my Skyline. Like, my car's obviously, it's set up and it's really easy to drift. And this is very easy to drift. But just the way it responds to throttle, the power band difference, the brakes and things like that, it's very interesting. It definitely took me quite a few laps to get the hang of this thing, but by the end there, I was doing pretty well. My GoPro died though, so hopefully we got some good shots of me actually linking this whole thing and that. But it definitely took a while, but man, I'm so excited for my S15. So much hype. Okachan showed me some good pointers on how to get some more angle on my transitions and what to do with them. That was definitely not what I was supposed to do. Okay, that was much quicker on the transition. bit of grip in now. I'll let my car cool down a bit and I'll get some cool tandems with him. All right, let's do it. Oh man, this is some fun right here. Safe. Cool. All right, let's keep this up. I'm really enjoying this bit of practice right now. This is great. Oh, it's 4 p.m. Oh my gosh, the day went so fast. Is it over already? Damn, I was having so much fun just oh no, the moment you start getting into a really nice rhythm, the day ends. Oh, Okamoto-san, kyou watta? Oh my gosh, guys, that was so much fun. So packing up for the day now, putting the two S15s on the loaders. I gotta quickly cram all of this in my car as quick as I can so we can all leave at the same time. Man, what a fun day. Just practicing in the wet, getting some tandem practice at the end there with Kawashima-san. Hanamaru-san did so well. Very proud of him. I'm sure his dad's even more proud of him though. But far out, man, what an epic day. Saying goodbye to the track now, and now we're on this sketchy farm road to get back to the highway with two loader trucks in the front. Man, what an awesome day, hey. So we're all heading to Yashio Factory. We're gonna unload and then hang out for a bit. So we'll pick things up from there and I'm gonna focus on driving now. Just pulled into a PA for a little break. Man, we've been driving for like 2 hours. Kind of sucks that Nasu circuit or Nasu, what was it? Pallet, I think it was like driving pallet or something. Kind of sucks that it's so far away, but we're close to Yashio Factory now, so at least we'll be there in probably like another 30 minutes or so. It's been a nice smooth drive though. So time warping ahead, and I'm editing the video right now and realized I did a terrible job at filming today. In all the commotion of all of a sudden it raining all day, I had no idea it was going to rain today, and until I was on the road this morning. We were heading there, and then all of a sudden it just started raining lots. Checked the forecast, and then the whole day was forecast to rain. So I was like, okay, cool, well, you know, wet drifting practice is great. So I haven't done it in a very long time. It was like the second time ever doing it, so I was kind of like, hell yeah, excited for that and that kind of seat time. But in the commotion of all of that, I didn't have my waterproof cases for my GoPro for other angles that I wanted to get today. I couldn't go and put my mics and stuff in certain places on the outside of the car because of the water. I couldn't even like pull my G7X out that much because of the rain. Like, it was very difficult for me to film today, so I hope you guys understand that. And I completely forgot, well, Okachan did film some outside clips for me, but I forgot to remind him to film in landscape, and portrait mode sucks, as you guys know. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys don't mind. I still had a really fun day and learned a lot more new technique. I didn't realize till today how much I've just been like going by feeling with my hand control and hand movements. So today I really realized that I need to focus more on what I'm doing with my hands and how I'm controlling the car with that. But obviously in the wet, you're more so steering with the rear of the car. You pretty much can't steer with the front that much at all. So it was a really good experience today, and I feel like I learned a lot, and I was just focusing on trying to get as much seat time and learn as much as I could in the environment of, you know, having a wet skid pan essentially to just practice on, and then doing tandems at the end there. That was definitely the highlight. I also realized I forgot to kind of fill you guys in with a bit of info with not filming certain clips and things like that. So the person I was tandeming with in the S15, sorry, the person I was tandeming with at the end that you saw in the pink S15 wasn't actually Okachan. That's Kawashima-san, who is Hanamaru-san's dad. He's that famous hairdresser guy I was telling you about in yesterday's video. So yeah, if that makes sense. So yeah, fun times. I don't know what else to say, but I'm exhausted and I had a really fun day, and I hope you guys still enjoyed the video, even though I didn't get as many shots as I wanted and I kind of sucked at filming today. Sorry, but it was drifting, and I hope you guys learned something from it. Tell me what you thought in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Peace out. Jamata.